Naagi times na natay idea pero dili lang gyud nato ipagawas kay mahadlok ta tungod kay makaingon siguro ta na maybe dili gini ana ka perfect atong idea. And usa sa gud na siya na mahadlok ta because mahadlok ta na masaway ta sa uban or mabash ta sa internet, no. Naagi times pod na tungod dili nato ipagawas tong idea tungod kay hesitant lang gid kita tungod kay natay mga stage fright or natay mga kahadlok, especially kung mag one-on-one session na or siguro pastoryahon ka sa tibok klase or sa mga tubangan sa mga tao, no. And actually kaning nga episode is just the follow-up information from our first edition of our newsletter. That's the page 11 of our newsletter, and that was published last February 8. That's Monday actually. So if ikaw hadlukanon magani ka mo post sa imong idea sa social media or bisag asa pa, no, maybe even interested ka ani nga episode, paminawon ni episode.
Hi, this is Owen and this is Imoha Podcast.
Atong istoryahan kung unsa ka maayo imong tingog, pero before that, atong paminawon atong mga sponsors. So nga na magyud na mahadlok magyud ta kung i-post na to atong idea, maybe in social media or maybe mo share lang ito tong kauban, no. Naagi times na hesitant ta mo share anang idea. It's because maybe sila may makakuha sa credit, no, or makashare ta nin idea and then maybe gamito na nila and then sila may makakuha sa credit. Makasabot gyud ana, no, it's because usahay na ang tao nagi ka ng crab mentality. Di lang kay makaingon ta nga Pilipino lang ang crab mentality, no. Nagayuban sa na ubang mga tao or ubang mga lahi na makaingon ta na nagud sila crab mentality. People are naturally selfish. I think that's really kanang common na siya. That's human nature gina. And also siguro sa ato apod na Filipino culture, atong culture is hinawayan kita mo gina ato ang culture. Makaingon gina sa na baya mababi skin sa ayo kung magsulti-sulti ginana, no, or mag-post og ginana, no. So hinawayan gid ang mga tao or hinawayan gid ang atong culture as mga Filipino or asa sa Bisaya, no. And makaingon gid sila isos kasunod-sunod ang mga ginagod ana mo ginakauna ana. Actually those are the people are the dream killers. Kung nakabati mo sa una na nakasulti ko na about dream killers, no. I think nana siya sa mga first episode or second episode. So and also to think na katong mga tao na mga hinawayon, sila po to mga tao na mahadlok na istorya. Or sila po itong mga tao na mahadlok sad mo post silang idea or siguro mo share silang idea or usahay wag sila ma-share na idea, no. Nay one time na nakakuha ko sa ka-training, it's about management training and then ana among trainer na ang Filipino daw kung pakantahon di gid mauwaw. Pero kung pasultion or papangutan-on, di na sila dili mo tingog, no. Wala na mo voice out. Mohilo man sila mo na sila any question, wala na yung mga question. Ana gina siya ang ato ang nature sa Filipino and maybe ato ang usbo, no, and then this is the time actually na ato ang i-voice out lang na ngano dapat kailangan to ng gubon. You need to speak out or you need to voice out sa imong idea or unsa imong na hunahunaan or unsa imong na feel. I think one thing siguro na makuha nimo as benefit ana na makuha nimo is the communication skills. You can improve your communication skills or your speaking skills, no. Kabalo kita na 80% of the communication is listening and 20% lang gid ang speaking, no. But again, we need to participate sa reviews or kailangan kita mohatag sa mga feedback sa mga tao or just a simple sharing of thoughts na lang siguro, no. Dili man sa ingon nga makaingon ka nga pamaymay po ni siyang tawhanan, no, abi nag-share po ni siya. Or I think that's actually our role as a human being. Kailangan gid ta pod mo share sa atong mga ideas unsa may atong nakatunan. It's because dili na maimuha kadugayan ang imong idea, no. Nagi tao po na makakuha pag yung idea. Maybe mas mahi pag sa imuha. Then that's the time magmahay na ka may pang-share nila na nimo. And also maybe because natay contributions sa the world of knowledge, no. At least natay mga good things na po na i-share na to sa tong mga kauban, no. And also one of the benefits siguro na atong makuha na is the tension, no, or unsa imuhang gipang bati night times na galangan kita mo voice out because bugat na gud kay sa tong kalooban, no. Mo ginay usapod sa reason na dapat kita mo voice out. It's because murag sobra na gid kay kung natas ato ang naana gipugong-pugong ginato sa sulod, no. Mo ginay siya because nowadays communication skills is very important. Like leadership skills, communication skills. Those are the simple things but daghan pa jud gihapon kayo og na stuck din na dapita. And even kanina podcast or even kanina channel, no. This channel is actually getting grower. Not just the podcast. Sooner or later na naging may mga small blogs, like sa atong newsletter na yung mga small blogs na din just an idea lang. And that's actually a part of the communication skills. And I think we need to voice out whether it's a written form or a audio form or in a video form, no. I think we need to practice that kind of thing para jud na makita ba nato na you have also your voices within this universe, no, sa ato ang kinabuhi, sa ato ang kalibutan, no, nagig kay imuhang part once you have already voice out or say something, no. So just in case makaingon ka nga unsa magay angay din akong buhaton para maka-voice out ko. One thing siguro because we are doing a podcast, we advise also that you make your own podcast, no. I think it's really nice to have your own podcast, at least na kay mga things na ganahan mo i-voice out na like bisag unsa, maybe if you're Tagalog, if you're Bisaya, if you're Ilocano, if you're Ilonggo or Waray, no. Just say something. It's really a good feeling if you have something pud na you can call a place in your own ba na naka sa internet, that you have your own place just to say something na makaingon ka nga if people will want to listen to you, then at least naagig kay some thoughts pod para sa ilahan na pwede nilang mapulot po, no. Podcast actually, this will not make you rich for sure. It's not really a very high reward in terms of money, but it's really high on rewards in terms of satisfaction, in terms of feeling. It's same with blogs, no. Maybe makaingon ka nga dili ka mag-podcast, maybe you want to post a blog or you want to post in social media. It's better na lang na at least na kay something to say, no. Then ayaw ka hadlok yun kung kinsa magangani ang sige nilag kanang sige bash din ha, no. That's actually a small accomplishment in your life. So what if makaingon ka nga dili ko kabalo mahimog podcast o di ko kabalo mahimog vlog, then of course pwede gid mi matudlo sa inyo, ha. Pwede mi magtudlo ninyo kung saan paghimog podcast, no. This is actually for free, wala na problema. Ang mua lang is just you have your first episode, you have your second episode, and from there now you can start saan nimo na pagpadako sa imong podcast, no. That's the time that you need to maintain those channel na lang. So and again, if ganahan gid mo na makat-on mo saan paghimog podcast, you can ask us. Daghan kay mga maghimog podcast ron, and I think dili kayo gyud ana kalisod maghimog podcast. Ang amoa lang is I think ang asa ka maglisod is how to find your voice. Dinha gina siya unsaan mo pag-build sa imong hunahuna, unsaan mo pag sulti, unsay mga maayong mga good practices. And I think that's really one thing pod siguro na imo pong makatunan, and for sure pwede gid may mga tudlo ninyo ana. And just in case pag yun, no, na dili pag yun mo ganahan na maghimog podcast, ay makaingon ka kapuya biyag maintain sa podcast. It's really, no, makaingon gyud kung kapoy gyud himo ng podcast. Kapoy sa i-maintain ang podcast. Even blogs, no. Even kanang unsay imong mga kwan, kapoy gyud siya i-maintain. But ang nakuha lang is that if ganahan mo guna ka na you want to say something, no, be in our show or be in our some of the platform na mo ang na build na lang, no. We encourage actually everybody to be like a speaker in the show. Like akong gibuhat karon, no. Kung ganahan ka na kaisulti, kung nanay ganahan nga maminaw sa imong mga ideas, imong mga thoughts o sa imong mga lessons, then for sure you are so welcome in this studio or in this show. You have your own episode. Pwede gina mo na ihatag ang usa ka episode sa inyo, ha. And then that's the time you can make use of those time na unsay imong ganahan isulti. And wala na siya time limit. It's up to you kung unsaon na nimo imong time. Kung gusto bagi gani ka, no, na if ever magyud na makaingon ka nga di mo ko kabalo mo like ang public speaking, because our roadmap for this podcast is actually like a Bisaya platform, like a TED Talk or a public speaking skills na imong ma-improve within the radio or like this one, no. Ang podcast is like a radio, but ang amo lang is ganahan na namo na ma-build ang inyong confidence na dili mo mag-atubang sa mga tao, and then this is just like a preparation na lang pod sa inyong gustong maabot na kung once mo storya na mo sa tibok, daghang tao na may confidence kung saan ninyo na inyong mga structures, kung saan ninyo pagstorya sa tao, no. If ever magani na ganahan mag-interview, okay ba sa kayo? Pwede gyud may maghimog interview. Actually ang podcast gini siya is actually for solo podcast, but we also be flexible with those suggestion nga makaingon mo na pwede mo siguro na mag-interview. Yes, pwede gyud na mag-interview. Ang Emoha podcast is really so flexible with that. But ang amo man lang is like if you have the chance to be like a speaker or like a TED Talk pod or mga yung kag Bisaya TED Talk, this is actually the platform that you really want to build, no? Simple lagi na siya, no? Amo lang gusto is just if nakailason na sa imong kinabuhi, compose, and then simple lang, and then be specific with your kanang idea, and then you're already in this show. Natural lang, no? Whether mag-English ka or mag-Bisaya ka, you are always welcome here, no? Or maybe mag-Tagalog ka if people na makasabot sa muwang Bisaya na ganahan lang mag-Tagalog, pwede ba kayo mo mag-Tagalog din, no? If man gani, no, na mahadlok pa jud mo mga bashers, no, we will take care of those bashers actually. Kabalo ko na di gina mawala ang mga haters, but actually we love the haters actually. Kung kabantay mo, ganahan mo is mga haters. Why? It's because sila mo yung nag-reveal sa ilang mga kaugalingon actually. So, muwa na mong ganahan lang sa mga haters, sa mga bashers, no. I think that one is really okay. Don't worry about that. Kami na lang bahala na kung saan na mo, okay? Ako lang is as long as dili lang gid mo na makapasakit sa tao, no. Inyong mga idea dili mo makapasakit sa ubang tao. Amo nang i-filter tanan yung mga idea. Maybe amo lang i-suggest na kuhaon ning mga something words na mga inani is because dili na siya maayo pag makasakit ka sa ubang tao. Mawag na, no. We are the one who will filter those ideas kung sa inyo ang ganahan isulti. But as long as na lang tayo lesson makuha sa imong idea, you're always welcome to the show, okay? So, what if makaingon ka nga, uy, Owen, dili pa man perfect akong idea. Well, here's the thing, no? We are already in the information age. Wala pa'y tao na mas maayo pa sa internet. Tanang mga kuha na to, makuha ba sa internet. Tanang mga datas, tanang mga information na naging siya sa internet, no? Mga kuha lang is that you need to show up. You need to show something na unsa imuhang kaya mahimo sa kalibutan, no? So, makaingon ka nga na kay idea, use this 80-20 rule or gitawag nilang Pareto principle, no? If you think your idea is 80% finished or 80% na makaingon ka na okay na ko ani, confident ko ani maybe 80%, then you need to launch it. You need to show it, you need to deliver it, you need to unsaon ni, you know, you need to speak out, you need to write it down, no? And then post it, no? Let the 20% na lang na makaingon ka nga, that's our failing area, or those are failing numbers. And those are the things that we can improve, that 80%, no. Wala gyud perfect sa kalibutan. We know that already. But ang ako lang is that at least makingon ka nga 80% na lang na makingon ka nga okay na jud kay ko ani. Then that's the time na makingon ka nga okay, I will launch this one. Same as this podcast, no. Kung nakabantay mo sa mga first episode na ako, di gito ana kamayo nato yung mga tuk mga nanana, di ba? Then that's the time makiingon ko bati man dito. So maybe I will change that one. Kung nakabantay mo lately, wala na ako nagibutang. It's because I think dili to maayo. But I know that 80% of my idea, when I launch this podcast, 80% of it, makayon ko, okay na ko ani. Then let the 20% na lang na makayon ko, okay, that's the kanang feeling area na lang ginana ko. And same with you, kung ganahan gid mo na mag-post mo something in social media or you want to build that kind of channel, then makayon ka reach that 80% nga idea or reach that kanang completion rate na to na natay idea na 80% nga complete, then that's the time you need to launch it. No need to be like 100% perfect. And sooner or later makita ba gid nimo kung unsa gid imong progress sa imong channel. Okay? So if ever di mo ganahan maghimog channel, then of course you can use this channel if you like. Then that's the time we actually invite you to be part of this show, and you can be one of us actually. You can be one of our show, and then makayon ka na, Owen, pwede ba ninyo dili ibutang akong pangalan? I'll be in the show, di lang ko ganahan or maghimo lang ko alias. Okay ba gyud na kayo? Wala na yung problema as long as di lang gyud mo makapasakit og laing tao sa inyong idea. And that's the time okay ra gyud na. So, okay? So, I think muna na ako ang last sa akong episode. So, actually this episode is more on invitation. It's more on eye opener for everybody na makaingon ka na pwede ko maka-launch og something na anything na actually. And also, you can launch your business. Bisag makayon ka 80% of this business is actually okay na. And 20% makayon ka na failing rate. Yes, ma-fail mo ginata ng business, di ba? But at least you know already that 20% na lang ang imuhang apasunon. Those are the times that actually kanang 20%, that's not a failing area. That's actually the learning area, no? The failure becomes a failure unless you learn from it. Mawag na siya yung imong itiban na, no? So, anyway, launch or talk to us if you have the idea. Talk to us if you want to launch an episode or a podcast or a blog. Then please talk to us. We can share some ideas as well. Libre na siya, di may mga yagwan na. Ang amo lang is that you can launch your idea Alright, so so muna na ako ang last akong episode. As always, before I will end this episode, I always leave you something, di ba? Kabalugin mo na. But this time, I will leave you some questions na lang. Okay? So, akong question actually, which one do you prefer? Do you like interview or do you like public speaking? Come on, public speaking. Or pwede sa interview and then public speaking. Di ba? Interview una, then maybe after the next episode, ganahan mo imuha lang, then public speaking. Okay. So, salamat sa inyong pagpaminaw and I love you all as always. Magkita-kita ta dito sa studio. Puhon, salamat na naminaw gid mo aning podcast. And kita-kita ta sa sunod na episode. Love you all. Bye-bye. Kung na kay ganang katuhunon pero napakaibuhaton, ang imo podcast lang ang imong paminawon. Basta manglimpyo, magluto, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, mag-inusara, kanina podcast para sa imuha.